Hey guys, I just wanted to get on here and just do a little what's in my bag. Um, my tote. I have the Travel Pro. I don't know what kind it is, but if I find it, I'll put it in the description if you're curious. I'm obsessed. I have it stuffed full. I'm currently on a 4-day trip at this really nice hotel. I've never overnighted here before, and this hotel has, anyways, doesn't matter, has like a yoga mat, it's insane. You can request a spin bike to your room. This is probably my favorite overnight now. Anyways, just wanted to give you like an inside glimpse of this super stuffed bag before I take my food out and put it in the fridge. So I guess we'll start with this top part. So in this first pocket, there's like another pocket in this part, the flap of it. Usually I keep my passport in there because I don't know, I need it to be like super secure, in a zipper. I actually got my passport stolen in India like over 5 years ago. That's a story in itself. So now I'm like super paranoid. I keep sunglasses that I hardly wear because I always wear my glasses and it's like winter time, so like the sun is barely out. I have a key card that has like I've got like New York City, Korea, or Seoul, Madrid, and Chicago. I think I have New York City in my actual wallet, but those are just train cards that have like money on them that I just kind of hang on to in case I go there again. I have this little part, it's like the Go Stack, and it just has like multivitamins and things like that in here. I have gum, Altoids, ibuprofen, more ibuprofen. Ooh. We're gonna be here a while. Hand wet wipes, nail polish. Normally when I paint my nails, I bring the color that I have them in case they chip, but I never care to touch them up. But I don't know, I have it. A little nail filer, a vanity kit from another hotel, hair tie. And then when I was in Thailand, or when I lived in Thailand, if you're Thai or you've been to Thailand, this is like a peppermint inhaler and it has like menthol in it. So it's really good for when you're sick or have a headache. You just sniff it. I don't know. It's just, I don't use it. It's just there. So that concludes, I think that's everything from this. That's everything from that small pouch. I'm gonna throw these back in. All right, so in this big pouch, I have hand lotion, just whatever, Target brand. Vaseline for my lips and everywhere. Eyes, everything at night. Under my nose if it's like all dry from the winter. I have a Sharpie, some spray that my friend Crystal gave me from London. It smells good. It's from Boots. It's the Ted Baker body spray. You can get it at Boots. I have my wallet in here, which it's like the perfect fit. Anyways, I took one of these kid things. It's like a little booklet that they can color on and stuff. I just hang on to it in case, I don't know, I have a kid on my flight and they were bored, or I don't know. More gum, Kleenex, because my nose is always running in Chicago. Nail remover pads. I hate being on a trip and having chipped nails. It drives me crazy. So I got this at like CVS or Walgreens. It's just like the LA, they're like 99 cents. Gap actually had them at the checkout, so I bought another one from there. Like, I'm not about to carry around like cotton rounds and a full thing of nail polish remover, so I'll just hang on to that. Hand sanitizer. Okay, and that is it for this. Again, I'm gonna put all this away. So that is what is in my front pouch. It's completely stuffed. And then there's two middle pouches There's 2 zippers. So I'll show you what's in this one. I took a banana. So I only carry around my Bose headphones when I'm non-revving or dead. I never take it on a trip unless I'm deadheading. But literally noise canceling the Bose headphones are a must. I never liked how I looked with the over the ear thing, but y'all, for non-revving, it cuts out the engine noise. This is a game changer, seriously. I just have the non-Bluetooth ones. I kind of wish I got the Bluetooth ones, but whatever, I'm not mad at it. So this is a must. And if for some reason I pack too much, I always just have this on here and I just clip it on to my suitcase or something. I have pretzels that goes with like a cheese dip. I have a little pouch of lipsticks and a foot numbing spray, even though it doesn't numb. We got these at Recurrent Training this year. This is full lipsticks. To put ice in to keep my food cold, but I'm currently using something else right now, so I just brought this until this thawed, and I was gonna toss this and just use this, but so far this is going strong, day 2. And then it has a laptop pouch. Oh my goodness, I'll try to show you. It has I have a journal too, just to write notes. I don't know, I don't hardly use it, but when I need a notepad, I know I have it. It has like a laptop strap. I usually just put my laptop in my suitcase, but it has, how am I gonna do this? So the inside has that laptop strap, which I end up just like sliding a book in there if I'm reading a book. It has 2 net pockets, and then it has like 2 like non-net pockets, and I have almonds or mixed nuts, whatever those are, in there. Then throw these in there. I'm gonna leave those out because I'll probably munch on that tonight. Then it has, I'll just make my way around. It has a little side pouch, which I don't know what normal people put in here, but it's just cute. I have teas and honey and whatever the heck else you would need. Little espresso things, powdered lemon. Yeah, I kind of hoard some of the teas. I'll have like a chamomile or something, like if I can't sleep. Or a throat coat if I'm getting sick. My phone cut off on me. I'm filming on my phone. So as I was saying, I have tea in here. I hoard these when we overnight somewhere where it has like a little kitchen inside. I take these so I can wash my Tupperware on the go, because that stuff is stank once you finish a trip. SPF, I don't know, I guess just to always have. If I'm like hanging by a pool, which that's not happening in winter, I have that at least. And then on this other side is another pouch, but it's like meant for like a water bottle. And if you don't want to use it, you can zip it up. So I showed you this side. So I'm going to show you this other side. I hate carrying 3 bags on a trip. So I ran out of memory on my phone, so we're going to continue. I'm filming on my laptop. Okay, yeah, this is completely liquid now. My roommate does the Hello Fresh, and they ship them in these little things, and so they're just kind of good to hang on to until they go liquid, and then I just toss them. So this pouch, that looks gross, but it just has this zipper, and it's like it's a see-through zipper. So usually as I was saying, I hate carrying 3 bags on a trip. There's too much going on, especially when you're deadheading. So deadheading is when you're riding like a passenger. It's just annoying to have all that crap on you. So I usually just shove all my stuff in this tote, or if I choose to change it up, I have a Travel Pro like big lunchbox, and there's like a I use the top part to like put my wallet and things like that in. So I always just like have one. And so far this has worked for me. I have like my stuff in here and then like my food side. So I ate some of a salad. I have a salad, cheese to go with my pretzels. This cheese is okay. Um, this girl, shout out to Tatiana if you watch this. She has the President Sharp Cheddar Pub cheese, and I wanted it, but they only have it. I think it's like at Kroger or Walmart or Sam's, and I was desperate, so I just grabbed this. It's not as good, but it's fine. It'll do. I was desperate, and then I ate one already. This yogurt, and I brought granola, and I used the honey packets that I showed you because it's just like a plain. I have hard-boiled eggs, some turkey. It smells fine. It just smells weird. I made chicken salad that I 100% need to eat, or else it's gonna go bad. So that will conclude. And I spilled something in here one time. It was actually really annoying, and I had to clean it. It made everything stink. Anyways, TMI. So now I'm opening this like see-through plastic pouch. Sorry about the lighting in here. It's all like chill mood lighting, so I'm doing best with what I got. Utensils, I hoard those, obviously. The granola to go with my yogurt I was telling you about. More honey. Just a bunch of little snackies. Tuna. Because I don't know, it's good to have. I have oatmeal grits. I recently cleaned and reorganized all this, and I had like, no lie, like 12 packs of oatmeal. I was like, how did this happen? I don't need all this. Some more utensils. Some more snacks. More hand wipes. Again, yeah, all of these are just snacks. I'm not going to take them all out, I don't think. Is that trash? Yeah, just a bunch of little snackies to snack on. So that's in there. And then, last but not least, there's like a side pouch. And I already had it open because I was grabbing Jolly Ranchers. I have like wings and Jolly Ranchers, and I have like this deodorant. I guess if I forget my deodorant, which it's happened before and it sucked, thank God I had like peppermint oil or something. Anyways, you just like swipe it under your armpits or something. I've never used them, but they're good to have. Band-Aids, more utensils, earplugs, and an emergency. Yeah, again, like I said, I recently cleaned this out because it was stuffed with like trash, and I guess my other pop tabs aren't in here. So yeah, I'll figure out what this is called, but like I'm obsessed. It's obviously a Travel Pro. And I have a Travel Pro lunchbox, and I have a Travel Pro suitcase as well. I'm currently using a Luggage Works suitcase. So even if you're a crew member or not, I would say the most durable, what crew members tend to usually use is Travel Pro, Luggage Works. Maybe I'm forgetting something else. But usually, Luggage Works are definitely like, they have like pilot bags that are just, they're pricier, but they're very durable. So if you're someone who travels a lot and you want something durable, I know anyone can get Travel Pro. Everyone, a lot of people have Travel Pro. So yeah, just a little quick what's in my tote. I hope that was exciting. Again, give it a 360. I hope you guys had fun with this. I love watching these, so I'm nosy and I like to see what other flight attendants have in their bag. Like, oh my gosh, I should start carrying that around too. Like, that's genius. So, I hope you found this interesting. Super basic. Um, yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video.